It was one of the best kebabs.
They're one of the best kebabs.
How are you?
Good, good.
Good. My sister very good.
Thank you. So you make kebabs and kati roll here?
Yes.
Why have you named this Doon Valley restaurant? Just look at the main course. I know I'm pushing on this portion size because I've never seen this much portion size in Krakow. Yeah. They have quite good number of soup option and they also have Indo-Chinese. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been snowing heavily since last evening in Krakow and you can see snow all around me. It is, I think, currently -4 or 5 degree temperature and it's going to be -7 or 10 by the evening. We came from India last week. We were in India for a whole month, so we are missing India and we just thought of going to a restaurant where we can have Indian food, and I found a restaurant by the name of Doon Valley restaurant. So Doon comes from Dehradun and as you know we are from Dehradun, so it comes with a lot of emotions and we are going there for the first time. The location I'll just share with you because I'm also going for the first time. It's located somewhere around Old Town. We are waiting for our tram. Let's see how this restaurant turn out. We have reached Old Town and I want to show you something. See this? When I showed you the snow in my last vlog, that was the first snowfall in Krakow and the snow was not that heavy. Since last evening it's been snowing. I want to roam here for some time before I leave the restaurant, but I'm hungry, so we will just go to the restaurant directly and I'll show you the place. But meanwhile you enjoy the view. I have finally reached and of course I found the restaurant as well. The restaurant looked quite premium from outside. Doon Valley Indian restaurant. My friends in Dehradun are going to be very happy to see this. The ambience looks nice from outside. The restaurant is quite cozy from inside, that for sure, and it's been 4 to 5 months. After looking at this menu, I think I can't decide what to order. Let me show you. They have quite good number of soup option and they also have Indo-Chinese. God, I'm so hungry. Almost all the vegetarian dishes are costing somewhere around 30-35. So the costing is definitely good. I'm really confused, so I think I'm going to ask the chef itself, what should we order? We are here for the first time, so let's see what he suggests because we want to order both snacks and main course, and the menu look quite tempting. Of course we can't eat that much, so let's see. So I have finally decided what I'm going to order. Since Indo-Chinese is quite popular in Dehradun, so we are ordering chicken 65 and we are also ordering Doon Valley chicken in the main course. And both of these dishes, my god, these dishes are so unique. I've never seen these many unique options here in Krakow. In India it's quite popular, but in Krakow these dishes are not common yet, especially chicken 65. I've not seen chicken 65 in any other restaurant, so I thought let's order chicken 65. Also in the main course, especially in the main course, I was thinking, let's go with their speciality, that is Doon Valley chicken. So these two things plus some naan I'm going to order. And yes, I know it took so much time because there are so many options, but yes, I have finally decided. I'll also order tea because it's quite cold outside and I think I really need a tea right now to feel warm. So my tea is here.
But this was my
So I ordered masala tea and it's here. So before my food arrives, I am going to drink this tea. So meanwhile हम लोग वेट कर रहे थे खाने का. So I just thought कि मैं आपको रेस्टोरेंट दिखाती हूँ. मुझे यहाँ पे अभी बार भी दिखा है, ठीक है. So मैंने तो चाय पी है, but if you are planning to drink, so they have quite good options in bar as well. Or I want to ask them if I can go inside the kitchen and see how they are cooking. But let me just ask, because I can't enter the kitchen just like that. Looks quite tempting. I've already started but I want to show you something. Just look at the size of the naan. Like, I will take the entire day to eat this naan because it's too big, and I'm so surprised to see the portion size, because in Krakow, whenever you order, wherever you order, you don't get such portion size. Yeah, then the main course, this is so what I ordered, this is chicken 65 and this is Doon Valley special chicken. So we ordered both of these items, and as I told you earlier, these dishes are unique so we wanted to eat something unique. Just look at how crisp they are, and this with bone Doon Valley chicken.
बहुत टेस्टी है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी है.
चलो यार, Ashwani, so I have already started giving reviews. I will definitely let you know in the end कि मैं ये finish कर पाऊँगी नहीं कर पाऊँगी, because the portion size is quite big unexpectedly. यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा portion size मिलता नहीं है, तो यहाँ का portion size बहुत बड़ा है. तो ये मैं खाती हूँ और मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि exactly यहाँ का खाना कैसा है. Ashwani तो is eating, so I will eat and I will let you know. When I came back to Krakow from India, I was missing this mint chutney a lot. और मुझे पहली बार ऑथेंटिक मिंट चटनी क्रैको में मिली है, एंड क्या कॉम्बिनेशन है. दिस चिकन 65 along with this mint chutney, next level. It was super delicious. It is not very spicy, and chicken 65 is particularly spicy, but this chicken 65 was not very spicy. It has quite mild spices. Just look at the main course. I know I'm pushing on this portion size because I've never seen this much portion size in Krakow. Yeah, I think we really ordered too much. I was just telling Ashwani, let's order one garlic naan, but we ordered two, and now I think he's only going to eat that much. I'm going to eat उतना जितना मुझे चाहिए भाई, मैं तो नहीं खा सकती. I'm going for the main course. I'll have less breads, more chicken. बहुत ही टेस्टी है. एंड चिकन इज़ सो टेंडर कि टच करते ही वो उसको निकल रहा है. सो विच इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट. तो आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हो तो ये दून वैली चिकन तो भाई लेना ही लेना, और चिकन 65 भी पक्का लेना. दे आर रियली सो गुड. माई स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट, व्हेनेवर यू आर हियर, आस्क देम फॉर ओरिजिनल इंडियन मिंट चटनी. भाई बहुत ही बढ़िया. सो आई एम डन विद माई फूड एंड आई एम हियर टू पे. And before I pay, the most important question, why the restaurant is named Doon Valley, I really want to know it because I'm from Dehradun, So I'll just ask this lady if she has the answer. Are you from Dehradun?
No, I'm not from Dehradun.
Then?
I'm working here, I'm a student.
Why have you named this Doon Valley restaurant?
The owner of the restaurant and both of our chefs are from Himalayas.
Yes.
Yeah, in Dehradun. And they want to promote this Pahadi food.
Okay.
Yeah, in outside India.
तभी हमें एकदम देहरादून वाला टेस्ट मिला है, क्योंकि यहाँ के शेफ्स और यहाँ के ओनर दोनों देहरादून से हैं. मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई कम आई गेट टू मीट योर शेफ्स एंड द ओनर ऑफ दिस प्लेस, एंड आई रियली लाइक टॉकिंग टू यू एंड स्पेशली योर सर्विस. इट वॉज सुपर गुड. थैंक यू सो मच. सो आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू वन मोर थिंग बिफोर वी लीव. See this is the Doon Valley restaurant, and just next to the Doon Valley they also have this place by the name of Doon Kebab. So not just kebabs, you can also have kathi roll here. Kathi roll is also very famous. They have recently started it and it has become quite popular. They were just telling me, so I just thought of sharing with you. So again, Doon Valley, and next to Doon Valley is Doon Kebab, and you can see.
Please tell me. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good. My sister very good. Okay.
So you make kebabs and kathi roll here?
Yes.
I heard your kathi roll are quite famous.
Okay, famous.
Yes.
Okay, thank
The best
you.
in the town.
Okay. So hello. Hi.
I came from. I had a lot of friends from the UK, and they said, sometimes they actually said it from
Okay.
France that it was one of the best kebabs.
They're one of the best kebabs.
And I'm not saying because people say this, why? Because somebody said, I came back only why? Because I haven't had this in the UK.
Okay. So you know where to have main course and where to have kebabs. Okay, bye.
Bye.
बाय. अच्छा, मुझे ना एक और बात बतानी थी कि यहाँ पे ये लोग अभी हिमालयन ऑथेंटिक मोमो एंड स्प्रिंग रोल जो देहरादून के मोस्ट फेमस है, दे आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू add Himalayan momo and spring roll in their menu. So I think next time when I come, I am definitely going to eat Himalayan momo and spring rolls, Dehradun special. Whether I finished my food or not, nah, I didn't finish it. So I got it packed for home. And I think I came here for lunch and I already have my dinner. The portion size was that big. So I hope you like my video, and if you really like my video, please subscribe my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next vlog.